Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we have something truly special for you. The Nurture by Nature Relax and Calm Spa Kit, the ultimate self-care gift basket. This spa kit is a complete bath set designed for women who deserve some well-deserved pampering. It's packed with 6 high-quality, full-sized premium products, all neatly packaged in a premium Nurture by Nature branded gift box. Let's dive into what's inside this incredible spa gift basket. Lavender bath salts. Lavender is renowned for its calming and relaxing properties. These natural bath salts will help soothe your mind and body, turning your bath into a tranquil spa-like experience. Lavender and shea butter body scrub. Indulge in the relaxing and nourishing benefits of this body scrub. It gently exfoliates and leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth, and revitalized. Orange and bergamot soy wax candle. Set the mood with this luxurious candle. The blend of orange and bergamot creates a bright and invigorating aroma that will instantly lift your mood and energize your space. Deep Relaxation Bath Bomb Bar. This bath bomb contains lavender and calendula extract, known for calming inflammation and improving circulation. Whether you've had a long day or just want to pamper yourself, this bath bomb is your answer. Having trouble falling asleep? This soothing mist relaxes the mind and calms the senses, making it easier to drift off. Simply spritz a few sprays onto your pillow before bed. Moisturizing oat and honey soap. This soap is a wonderful blend of nourishing ingredients to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. It gently cleanses, exfoliates, and leaves your skin rejuvenated and radiant. Now, what makes this spa kit truly special is that it's developed with active natural ingredients and healing essential oils for the best aromatherapy experience. Plus, it's cruelty-free and PETA approved, making it an ethical choice for your self-care routine. Imagine indulging in all these delightful products in the comfort of your own home, transcending to a place of tranquility and relaxation. It's the perfect, just for you, or thinking of you, gift for occasions like Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Christmas, or even just for your self-care night. But that's not all. When you purchase this spa kit, you're also supporting a small business. Nurture by Nature is a family-run brand that believes in the importance of self-care and well-being. They've specially formulated these products using natural and organic ingredients, ensuring you get the most natural and peaceful experience. So, not only are you treating yourself or a loved one to some luxurious relaxation, but you're also supporting a small business that cares about your well-being. So there you have it, the Nurture by Nature Relax and Calm Spa Kit, the best spa gift basket on the market. Treat yourself or someone special today and let this incredible set transform your self-care routine. That's it for today's product review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews. Until next time, take care and stay pampered.